Well, that was ridiculous. Golly.
It's snowing! We can't get away from it. You're in.
And we're off.
And it's snowed. There's snow everywhere.
We dumped our tanks in 22-degree weather this morning.
He wasn't sure if we were going to have poopsicles or what, but it all worked out.
It did. So we got the tanks dumped. We survived. It was 22 degrees this morning. Chilly, chilly, chilly.
And as you all know, we're failing at 70-degree weather.
Yep. We got blamed for bringing the snow to Elk City, Oklahoma.
I know.
So here's another tip for you. I got up yesterday after the snow kind of stopped, before it got too cold. It was about 32, 33 degrees. There was about 5 inches of snow on the RV. And I got up on the roof and I brushed with a broom all of my slides, because we don't have slide toppers. That's a whole nother subject that we can talk about at a later date. But I brushed all the snow off of my slides, and then that way overnight it kind of dried off because all the water evaporated, and then we could bring in our slides. So don't try to bring your slides in with a bunch of snow on the top.
Yes, and icy snow too, because that would be
make sure you get all of the ice off of the top of your slides.
Yeah.
Well, you can have a thin sheet, like if it were to rain or something, but make sure you don't have any clumps of ice on your slides when you pull them in, because it'll break the ice, but it could do damage to your slides too.
Yeah.
So we got all our work done. We got to see our friends, got to meet some new people at the campground.
Yeah.
And now we're headed to Texas for Thanksgiving, aren't we?
We are, and hopefully warmer weather.
Warmer weather, yes.
And no snow.
Yes. We are ready to find 70 degrees, but I'm guessing we're not going to be able to do that until we get to
Arizona.
Yeah.
We'll find it.
So I think the roads are going to be okay. They say we got 7.5 inches of snow yesterday. I don't know if I believe that, but that's what they said we got.
I think so.
Do you?
Yeah, I think it was pretty close.
So we're going to head down the road. It looks like the roads are fine. It's starting to warm up. I think it's 30 degrees out now.
Yep. And the sun is shining.
The sun is shining.
Beautiful. We've had sunny travel days this whole way.
Yeah, it's been nice. So here's this crossover overpass on the interstate on I-40. Took me a while to get used to this.
But it's pretty cool.
It is.
It's a really nice bridge.
Yeah. But you cross over to what I call the opposite side of the traffic. And I think that's for on-ramps and off-ramps.
And these white pillars light up, which is really pretty.
So we're going to roll down Highway 6 here, Oklahoma 6 into Altus, and then into Vernon, Texas, and on into Bridgeport.
Yay.
So,
yeah, roads are dry. That's nice.
So here we go. Merry Christmas! Well, as you can tell, we're about 4 weeks behind on our videos.
Yes.
So this is a real-time update.
Guess where we are?
We're in Yuma, Arizona for Christmas.
We are, and it's gorgeous here.
It is. It is. We're having a great time.
Yes.
So, as we say, this is a real-time update. We wanted to kind of catch you guys up on what's going on and what's been happening. We left Oklahoma. We got snowed on in Oklahoma, as you saw.
Yes, we did.
And we headed for Texas to spend Thanksgiving with our oldest daughter and her family.
Yeah, so we were there for 2 weeks and had a great time.
We did. And then we moved on here to Arizona, and it's been wonderful.
It has been.
T-shirts. See this? I know you guys back east, you're getting dumped on right now.
I know, and I'm so sorry. Stay warm and safe,
Golly.
you guys.
Yeah.
That's bad. I'm wearing my flannel only because it's pretty chilly in the morning, and you just never know how to dress here. You have to dress in layers, I guess.
It's been chilly in the mornings, but it's
Yeah.
been nice in the afternoons.
But now it's really warm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So, anyway, we're in Yuma, and we thought we'd give you guys a real-time update on what's been going on because this is Christmas week.
Can you believe it?
This has been awesome.
Oh, it has, but I cannot believe how the time has just flown by.
Yeah,
It's crazy.
it has.
Yeah.
So, like we said, we're settled in for Christmas in Yuma, Arizona. We opted for a park in the month of December just so that we could kind of be around some people, because we have some really good friends
Yeah.
here in Yuma that we visited a number of times, but we weren't just quite sure how the holidays were going to shake out, and so we opted for a park here in Yuma for the month of December. And so here's what's happening. We're going to move out of this park after Christmas. The first of the year, we're headed up to Quartzsite. So all you guys that are going to be in Quartzsite, let us know. Leave a comment. Let us know. And what we're planning on, and I still don't have the details yet, but what we're planning on is we're planning on some meetups during the Quartzsite RV show, the tent show.
We are.
We're trying to figure out the specifics on that, and we'll let you know probably on the either in the next video or in the community tab. We'll let you know what's going on there.
Yes.
So if you're going to be in Quartzsite during the month of January, let's get together, whether it's, I don't know, I know we can't get together at the pizza house because
It's not big enough.
it's not big enough. We'll figure
It's
out
always
something.
crowded there.
We'll figure out something for a meetup in Quartzsite.
We will.
So, and then if you're going to be here in Arizona, we're going to spend February and March here in Yuma. We've got some wonderful, wonderful riding in the foothills around here, and we're going to leave Quartzsite. We're going to come here to Yuma. We're going to spend February, March. We've already set up a place. We're going to be staying in the foothills during the months of February and March. So if you guys are in the Yuma area during February and March, let us know. Let's get together.
Yeah, maybe do a little mini meetup or something.
That would be a lot of fun.
Yeah,
We
it
can,
would.
if there's enough of you that are interested, we'll set something up and we'll figure out where to have it. But that would be a lot of fun.
It would be a lot
I would
of fun.
enjoy that.
I would too. Yeah.
All right. So anyway, as you saw, we stayed ahead of the storm until we got to Oklahoma, and then we got dumped on with about 7.5 inches of snow.
We did.
And it got cold.
Snow loves us, I guess.
We got blamed for bringing the snow to Oklahoma.
I know. We can bring the cold. Maybe.
So then we went on to Texas, and it was a little chilly there, a little rainy, a little drizzly, a little windy. But we had a great time with our family and
We did.
grandkids
Had a great
over
time.
Thanksgiving, and just had a wonderful time there. And then we moved on here to Arizona, and we're still looking for that 70-degree weather, but it's getting real close here in
It's
Arizona.
coming. The
It is.
forecast says it's on its way.
Yep. So like I said, this video is going to release just before Christmas. This is Christmas week. We wanted to make sure that we told all of you Merry Christmas.
You're right.
We've got some wonderful plans here in town. The church that we attend,
Champion Church, the
Yeah.
best church.
they have a Christmas play,
Yeah.
outdoor play in the outdoor manger.
Child is born, I believe is what the name of it is.
Yep. For 3 nights this weekend.
That's
Thursday, Friday, Saturday night. And then they've got a Christmas Day service at 10:30 with breakfast in the morning, and we're going to attend that. We've decorated the RV.
We did. I think next year I'm even going to go even farther than I did
Are ya?
this year. I think so. I just don't know what.
Okay.
I'm not very creative, so.
Well, and we're limited on space right now on where we store stuff. So We did put up a few decorations. She put up a tree. The kids gave her a tree a few years ago, and we've been hauling it around in the truck with us. And
it's frosted. That's why we keep hitting snow. This darn frosted tree.
So we've, you know, we put up the tree, and she put up some garland this year and some extra lights in the kitchen. And
those fairy lights, they're LED and they're battery operated. So those are really a good one for people who don't have a lot of plug-ins. So just a FYI.
Yeah. We've been listening to Christmas music on Pandora.
We have the oldie goldies, Dean Martin and
Bing Crosby
and all that.
But like we said, we've got some really good friends that live here in the foothills, and they invited us over. They've got, you know, most of the people in Yuma are snowbirds.
Right.
I don't know what the percentages are. We'll figure it out. We'll let you guys know.
That would be fun to figure it out.
It would. I think there's 22,000 year-round residents here in Yuma, and I don't know what it is in the wintertime. But the snowbirds that come down, they go all out on their decorations.
Oh, that's so cool.
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
It's really nice.
We took a walk with our friends and viewed the Christmas lights in their neighborhood. There's a couple of blocks there that really go all out, and it was really a lot of fun.
Right. I think when they buy in that neighborhood, they have to sign an agreement saying that if they move in there, they have to put lights up.
Yep.
Because they just did. It was fantastic. So thank you, Lynn and Jason, for taking us around and making us feel loved.
Yep. And then they have, in the same neighborhood, they have a Christmas parade.
They do.
My
gosh.
It was really cool. It's golf carts and antique cars and hot rods, and the fire department even got involved. Side by sides,
and the police were even in it. Making sure everybody was safe.
They decorate everything up and create this big lawn. Anybody that wants to participate can. So you get all kinds of stuff.
Maybe one year we'll do it. It was just, oh my gosh, it put me in the spirit of Christmas.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was really neat.
It was pretty cool. So again, we want to tell you guys Merry Christmas. We want to remind you that this is the season when so many people have got depression.
They're going through things. It might be their first year of not having a loved one. We lost a friend.
We did.
Just recently, and and our friend is going through all the new first things, without her husband. So
yeah. They were our best friends.
We've known them for 40 years.
Yep.
And
so she's going through some things, and I'm sure that you guys have got some friends or family that that are going through some of those firsts, or they don't have any family, they don't have any friends, and if you've got a neighbor that needs a little bit of extra support, this is the time of the year where we can all show our love and really bring them into our home and maybe serve them a meal or have some fellowship with them.
Bring cookies over to them or something like that.
Just show
them your love.
Yeah, this is the season.
This is the season because Jesus is the reason for the season. It's all about Jesus' birth. And even though we have Santa Claus and everything, our pastor said the other day, what's really cool about Christmas is that Jesus is in it. They may not know it, but Jesus is the reason, and they're celebrating that.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. So anyway, we just wanted to wish everybody a Merry Christmas, and we know you're busy, and we just really appreciate the time that you guys give us each and every week to watch our travels. We love the positive comments.
Yes.
We're getting so many comments about that you guys really like our travel day videos, and we'll put some more together for you. I know a lot of you can't get out and you can't travel anymore for one reason or another, whether it's disability or whether it's, age or economics or whatever the reason. So we love having you guys come along with us, and we really enjoy your comments.
We do. It's very heartwarming.
Yep.
So we hope you guys all have a great Christmas and a safe Christmas, and thanks for coming along on our journey.
Yeah. Enjoy your time with your family. Enjoy your time with your friends. If you're away from family, give them a call, do a FaceTime, whatever it takes. We've already called our folks, my folks, a number of times, you know, from down here, and they miss us, we miss them, and it's that time of year when we all need to get together and we all need to share, and so just don't forget your family, don't forget your friends, and if you've got somebody that's in your neighborhood that needs a little extra support, please give it to them.
Yeah, absolutely. You may be far away, but you're so close with technology these days.
Yeah.
So just stay in touch.
All right, we're going to wrap this one up, but before we go, we're going to show you the Christmas, a little bit of the Christmas parade, because it was so much fun.
I hope you watch it because it's very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
All right, we're going to wrap this one up from Yuma, Arizona, and just remember, guys,
It all starts with an idea.
and those ideas turn into reality, and then they become lifelong memories. So thanks for coming along, and we'll talk to you next week.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.